Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the Apple ID password if you forgot it. So first of all, open iCloud and then click on forgot password. As you can see, click on forgot password. After that, put your email or your phone number and then press continue. After that, confirm your phone number, put it here. And then if you can't use those three options, you can click on can't use of any of these options. Click on it. After that, click continue anyway. And then send code to your trusted phone number. Click send code. After that, put the code and then press continue. After that, send code to your email address. Send code, click on it. After that, put the code and then press continue. And then you just need 24 between 24 and 48 hours, and they will send you an update, and you will reset your password. Okay, guys, thank you and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.